What if I told you that 90% of small businesses fail not because their idea wasn't good, but because they never mastered growth? Yep, it's not about surviving anymore in 2025, it's about scaling smart, fast, and sustainable. So, in this video, I'm breaking down 10 proven growth strategies that real businesses are using right now to explode their revenue without burning out or losing focus. If you own a small business or are planning to start one, this video could literally change your business in next 12 months. So let's dive in. Hey everyone, I'm Mayur from Mayur Networks and welcome back to the channel where we talk about building and scaling profitable online business. If you are ready to move beyond the survival phase and into real growth, this is for you. And if you would like to go even deeper with step-by-step training and community support, join my free community at community.mayurnetworks.com. You will get access to both free and premium courses that help you build, automate, and scale your business the smart way. All right, let's talk about the 10 growth strategies that can transform your small business in 2025. The first and most powerful growth driver, digital marketing. But let's be real, it's not just about posting on social media. True growth comes from creating content that educates, inspires, and builds trust. Think of Riverpools, a small company that became a national leader simply by writing blog posts answering customer questions. Or HubSpot, they built an empire by giving away free knowledge through blogs, videos, and courses. Here's the golden rule: help before you sell. Start with one or two channels where your audience already hangs out. Master those. Focus on quality over quantity. And always capture email addresses because followers belong to the platform, but your email list belongs to you. Second, strategic partnerships and alliance growth. It doesn't happen in isolation. The faster way to scale is to leverage someone else's audience. Strategic partnerships allow you to expand without massive ad spend. Look at GoPro and Red Bull, both aligned on adventure and energy, creating a win win story that amplified both brands. Or Spotify and Uber, a small collaboration that changed how riders experienced their journey. When you find the right partner, you don't compete, you collaborate for exponential reach. Start small, align your values, test it with pilot, and when it clicks, double down. Third, customer retention and loyalty programs. Here's a truth bomb. Retaining a customer is 5 to 20 times cheaper than acquiring a new one. Yet, so many small businesses chase new clients instead of nurturing the ones they already have. Starbucks gets over 40% of its revenue from its loyalty app. Why? Because they don't just sell, they make customers feel valued and seen. If you are running a business, create instant value for joining your program. Personalize your offers and reward loyalty. When you make your customers feel special, they don't just buy again, they bring their friends with them. Fourth, product or service diversification. If you are relying on one product or one revenue stream, you are walking a tightrope. Apple didn't stop at computers. They built an entire ecosystem: phones, watches, subscriptions. Netflix went from DVDs to streaming, then to creating their own shows. The message: don't be afraid to evolve. Ask your customers what else they need. Start small, test a new service or digital product, diversify, but stay true to your brand. Growth happens when innovation meets consistency. Fifth, market penetration and geographic expansion. Sometimes growth isn't about creating something new, it's about expanding what already works. Think of Warby Parker. They started online, then opened hundreds of physical stores to meet customers where they were. Before you rush to new markets, do your homework, understand demand, adapt your message, and build local partnerships. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to roll it into the right market. Sixth, sales process optimization and team development. If you can't predict your sales, you can't predict your growth. Most businesses don't fail because of a lack of leads. They fail because of broken sales system. Companies like Salesforce and Sandler proved that a repeatable process can turn sales from chaos into a machine. Document every step from lead to close. Use a CRM to track everything. And remember, it's not just about the results, it's about the activities that drive those results. Calls, demos, follow ups. Measure what can be managed. 7. Customer referral and word of mouth programs. Here's the cheapest marketing strategy that most businesses ignore. Referrals. Dropbox grew by exponentially just by giving users extra storage or inviting friends. PayPal offered cash for referrals and it exploded. People trust people more than ads. So reward your loyal customers for spreading the word. Make referrals effortless. A simple link, a small reward, and a big thank you. Because when happy customers talk, your growth compounds. 8. Operational efficiency and automation. Let's be honest. If you're doing everything manually, you are holding your business hostage. Automation isn't a luxury anymore, it's survival. McDonald's didn't grow because of burgers, they grew because of systems. Amazon didn't dominate because of low prices, but because of operational mastery. Automate repetitive tasks. Track every key processes. Use integrated tools. Remember, efficiency isn't about doing more work. It's about removing friction so you can scale faster and smarter. Ninth, niche specialization and market positioning. Sometimes the fastest way to grow is to go smaller. Yeti didn't try to sell coolers to everyone. They targeted hardcore adventurers and that laser focus turned them into a premium billion-dollar brand. When you specialize, you stop competing on price and start winning on expertise. Find your micro niche, speak their language, serve them better than anyone else because the riches are always in the niches. 10th, strategic acquisitions and mergers. And finally, the bold move, acquiring or merging with another business. Facebook buying Instagram, Intuit acquiring Mint. These weren't coincidences. They were growth shortcuts. Even small businesses can do this. Buy a struggling competitor, merge with a complementary service provider. You are not just expanding your revenue, you are accelerating your timeline. But remember, always do your due diligence. The goal is synergy, not chaos. So, here you have it 10 proven small business growth strategies for 2025. But here's the truth information alone won't grow your business, execution does. Don't try to do all 10. Pick one or two strategies that fit your stage right now. Maybe it's launching a new referral system, maybe it's automating your operations. The key is focus, consistency, and accountability. Growth doesn't happen by accident, it's a result of deliberate strategic action. And if you want help putting these strategies into practice with step by step guidance, templates, and community support, join my free community at community.mayurnetworks.com. Inside, you will connect with entrepreneurs just like you, learning how to build real, profitable, and scalable businesses online. So, what's your next move? Drop it in the comments. I would love to hear which growth strategy you are going to focus on first. If you found this video valuable, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with another businesses or other owners who needs this message because 2025 isn't the year to play small, it's the year to scale smart, grow strong, and build something that lasts. See you inside the community. Also, don't forget to download your small business growth blueprint from the link in the description and check out my blog for more details. See you in the next video. Bye bye.